Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day so far. In today's video, as you can see from the title down below, I'm going to be unboxing my very first PLOUISE monthly mystery, what's it called? Budget box. The monthly box that you sign up for, the subscription. This is my very first month, and I did just buy this. I did just sign up for like the 1 month to like try it out, see how I feel, and then if I feel like this is good value, I will go ahead and like sign up for the subscription, like 6 months, 12 months, whatever. I will do that, but this was the March one that got delivered in April. So this is the How Do You Like Yours surprise egg, and I will say, okay, this came in 3 different shades, skin tone dependent shades, and obviously, look at me. I am as white as a piece of paper, and this is the dark chocolate. This is the darkest option. This is the dark chocolate melt in the mouth material egg. So I am starting this off thinking I'm not gonna like all of the products in here. Unfortunately, a lot of these products, or like, I don't even know what's in here, but some of these products are not going to be made for my skin tone, which is a shame. It is strange to me that they would send things out in a mystery box that are so skin tone dependent that you have to have 3 different colour options. Like, there was a light, medium and dark, and this is the dark chocolate one. So I'm gonna go ahead and just open this up and we will see, because honestly I could be wrong. I could, you know, open this up and find that I can actually use every single product. I've just got a feeling that there's going to be products in here that aren't going to work for me. I do love the packaging though. Like, I don't know what I'm going to do with this. I'm going to have to keep it though. This is the sort of tin, me being me, this is the sort of tin that I would put like thread and like my sewing kit in. Is that just me? But let's open her up. Oh! Instead of packing peanuts, we've got little love hearts. Okay, that's cute. So this is what it looks like. Let me show you without tipping this everywhere. So it's just basically full of these love hearts, and I'm just going to dive on in. The first products that I see here is Smooth It Over and Airbrush It Out Smoothing Primer, and this is in peach. Is this gonna be a base product that is too deep for me? And you know what else it is? Like, if a product is too dark for me, I can just use a lighter hand. Like, if there is eyeshadow in here, I have literally no idea what's in this box. But if I open this up and there's eyeshadow and it's made for a deeper skin tone, I would still be able to use that. However, if somebody with a deeper skin tone got a box that was made for fair skin, those colours are just not going to show up, and that's not fair or right. So I'm like, I'm already like starting this off thinking I'm not gonna like all of these products. Let's just wait and see. So this is what the primer looks like. I will say PLOUISE gets the packaging, just gets the packaging so right. Like, the packaging is beautiful, and let's see, is this going to be a really deep colour? Like, if this has any sort of tint to it, we are out of here. Ooh. I hope that this is sheer. Otherwise, that colour is going absolutely nowhere near my face. I don't think I'm going to use that on my face. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I think even if I blend that right out, you're going to be able to see that peachy undertone. It doesn't really smell of anything. It does feel really nice and smoothing and hydrating. Oh, I don't know. As I blend that tiny little bit out right over my hand, Can you still see that? I feel like I can still see that in real life. I'm not sure. I just think that feels quite risky. Like, I suppose you can't really see it. Maybe I'm judging this harshly. Let's just carry on. So there is the Glossy and Glazed Rich and Radiant All Over Body Glow. This, no. Is this going to be... This is going to be dark as well, isn't it? Like, look at that packaging. I might just not open that because I'm scared that this is going to be dark. And am I realistically going to use a body glow when I don't even use a moisturiser on my body? Probably not. I might just save that and see if somebody else wants it. I really love the packaging though. I really love the packaging. So then down the side we have got the Stay Shining Shimmer Formula. What are you? Lip oil. Okay, a lip oil I can get on board with. Okay, P. Louise, that is the most extra packaging I have ever seen in my life, and I've actually heard incredible things about the lip oil formula. So, ooh, but that colour on me is, I mean, let's just wipe off the lip balm that I have on and let's try this lip oil. Either way I'm keeping it, so let's see. It's very glittery, like very, very glittery. It feels quite similar to the e.l.f. one, where it's quite thick and like a thick oil rather than a very thin sort of hydrating oil. I do feel like I can feel those bits of glitter though. It's fine, it's just very, very chunky glitter. Not necessarily what I usually go for in a lip oil. So let's keep on digging. There's so much more in here. So down at the other side we have got the Ready Set Shine setting spray. I feel like I'm having a little breakdown. Yeah, I'm also not going to use that because that colour on this face, no, not going to use that one either. So we've got something in a little bit of bubble wrap here. What are you? Dream a Little Dream Midnight Indulgence Face Palette. Okay. Okay, I'm going to try and open this without like ruining the packaging because chances are I'm not going to use this. Absolutely not. None none of those shades I know, okay, I'm just going to put a little disclaimer here. I know that this is a mystery. I know that this is a mystery bundle and you get what you get. I knew that when I signed up for it. I didn't know that there was going to be skin tone dependent items in here. I thought it was going to be like lip products. Yeah, lip products. This lip oil would work on anybody. I thought that there was maybe going to be an eyeshadow palette. I thought there was maybe going to be skincare. Completely get that. Brushes, you know, things like that. Things that it doesn't matter what skin tone you are, they will work for you. This, even with a light hand, is going to look insane on me. And also, if you are of a deeper skin tone and you got the fair version of this, not going to work on you. it's just not going to show up on your skin tone. So I've paid £30 for this, and so far I've got a primer. I mean, there's one more product in here and I will get into that in a minute, but so far I've got a primer that I don't know if that's going to leave a tint on my skin that you can see, and I've got a lip oil that's got dark brown goldy bits of glitter in it, and I paid £30. But if there was the option to say, I am Casper the Ghost, I am very, very fair, then I could have gotten the box that worked for me, and all of these products would have worked for me. And somebody else could have gotten this box that had a deeper skin tone, and all of these products could have worked for them. But I really love the packaging. So that's something. So this is the Drive Me Balmy Life of Luxury 2 moisturising lip balms. Okay, I can get on board with that, as long as these aren't deep brown. I'm not going to use these either. I was so hopeful. Oh, right, so this is a lip balm. Oh, actually, no, you know what? That's a light pink lip balm. So I'm going to wipe off this lip oil because I don't really like that colour. I will keep this. I will use this. So this is the Rich, B-I-T-C-H. I won't say it in case you've got any kids watching. So that is what that looks like. So it is just, I mean, the dark bits on the packaging had me thinking that that was going to be like a dark brown lip balm, but it's not. Doesn't really smell of anything. And oh, I just noticed all of that glitter is left on my lips from that lip oil. This lip balm feels incredible. 100% I'm gonna keep on using that. That's lovely, and actually works for my skin tone. And then there is Balmy For You, and this looks like a click-up pen, and I can't use, or I mean I could use that, but I'm not going to use that. Okay, so if you're watching this and you are of a deeper skin tone and you want this, and this, send me a message on Instagram and I will send them to you. And that face palette. I feel disappointed. I feel like ultimately the only product that I'm going to use out of that is that lip balm that I've just put on, which I will say feels lovely. It feels almost like cooling. Feels really, really nice. Was this one single product worth £30? No. No, it was not. So I would love to know if you if you are of my skin tone and you had gotten this box, would you be as disappointed as I am? Because this is the first ever PLOUISE mystery box that I've ever got. And I'm like, if I'm going to pay £30 for a lip balm, I may as well just go and pay £30 for a lip balm. I'm really disappointed. Let me know. Do I need to give it another chance? Do I need to sign up for 1 more month and see what else is coming? Because judging on this, I'm like, for £30, I could have gone onto TikTok Shop and I could have bought £30 worth of things that suited me, suited my skin tone. And I know, I'm going to say it again, I know that this was a mystery bundle and I know that this was a risk. But to have a whole box of products that are skin tone dependent just feels wrong to me. basically. It just doesn't sit right with me. So yeah, I'm disappointed, but if there is somebody out there that can use these products, like I say, send me a message over on Instagram and I will send these products to you for free. So let me know. Do you think I need to give PLOUISE mystery box another chance? Do I need to sign up for 1 more month? Because I'm willing to give it a go. I'm willing to try, but I'm just disappointed in this one. Let me know. If you like this video, if you liked this video, if you found it useful, please give it a big thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, if you found my moaning and my nitpicking irritating, give it a thumbs down. Go ahead, give it a thumbs down. I would give it a thumbs down as well. I'm being very, very negative. I promise I'm usually more positive than this, but if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down. Leave me a comment down below if you think I need to sign up for 1 more month. But until next time, thank you ever so much for watching. Bye.